Good morning, this is Linda, and today, I'm not going to show her, but me and my granddaughter and I, excuse me, are headed to Home Depot. It's Sunday morning, and we're headed to Home Depot because we're going to pick out some flooring for her floor in the cabin, and we're excited about it. So, we're going to just turn the camera off now. Oh, you like my glasses? I love these glasses. Anyway, so we're going to turn the camera off now. And when we get to Home Depot, we're going to pick you back up. Okay, so we're back at the cabin, and we're going to be working on the floor. We got this Traffic Master Peel and Stick, and no, we're not sponsored because we're not sponsored. But it looked nice, and we decided that we're going to go with it. So let's get this started. I need to fix that. I should. Do we have? Let me explain something about this cabin. It's very unlevel. We went in and jacked it up because it was actually V'ing in the middle, but that hasn't made it any more level. And it's got these big logs that are, a lot of them are rotten. And so what's going to happen is this is a temporary thing. We're just going to make it livable for the next couple of years. And then, eventually we're going to tear this down and either put a shed to house out here or probably a shed to house, or build something else. Go.
Come on.
Go.
Hey, come on. Come on, Lucy.
Okay, we're coming right along. We've got just probably, I would say, one, and the last row is going to be all cut. So it's going to be a pain, but we'll get it done. Okay, so we've done all we can because my husband took the car and it's got the tile in it. We still have 2 spots left that we need to finish. Of course, we need to finish up all the trim and paint the whole thing and caulk it and all of that. But that'll be on another video. So please look out for that video, and I just want to thank you for joining me today. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I thank you for watching. Thank you.